Hello, everyone. Today, I will guide you through the easy and simple process on how to make a group chat in Che app. This will help you enjoy the app with your friends. So let's get started. First of all, open the app and make sure you are logged in. If you aren't logged in, then log into your account. After that, if you want to create a group chat with your friends, then just select any character from the list or any character or bot that you have created. Click on the character. After that, what you want to do is chat with the character because as you can see, you can't add a friend into your chat unless you chat with the bot. So after that, press on the three dots on the top right corner and select add friends. This will open a small menu with two options. Either you can enter your friend's friend code in this field or you can just send them this link. Once they will click this link, it will open their app and join them in this group. If you prefer using the friend code, then ask your friend to go to their profile section, copy this code and send it to you. You have to enter the code in this field. And once you press enter, it will add your friends to the chat. This way you can add as many of your friends as you want to the chat. So this was how to make a group chat in Che app. If you found this video helpful, then be sure to like it and subscribe so you don't miss out on any other tutorials. Lastly, if you have any questions, then feel free to comment down below. I will be happy to help.